Good evening, sir. I'm Michael Alexis Camanso, is for H. Effective movement of cargo to ship transverse stability. Shifts of the ship's center of gravity. When cargo is moved sideways, the ship's center of gravity also shifts toward that side, causing ship to heel in that direction. Dahil dito, tatagilid ang barko na side kung saan inilipat ang karga. Direction of writing ability. Kapag ang karga ay wala sa gitna, the ship's ability to return upright is reduced. This means transverse stability decreases. Free movement of cargo, dangerous. If cargo is not properly secured, maaari itong gumalaw habang umaalon ang barko. Repeated shipping can cause and continue healing and may lead to the consiring